Gaining muscle is a hard and grueling process that can take years, depending on your goal. Each serious workout session can leave your body sore for days as well. You may not even see the results you want from all this effort, which can be pretty demoralizing. Luckily, you still have a significant chance at success thanks to the top post-workouts of 2023. These protein powders will assist your workout sessions in several ways. They can reduce muscle soreness by minimizing damage to your muscles, and they give a tangible boost to your efforts by assisting in muscle buildup. The only hurdle between you and drastically improved workout sessions is buying the right post-workout for your body and needs. To help, we've crafted a list with some top-tier post-workout recommendations available on the market. Take a look. Number 1. LifeFuel Post-Workout. The LifeFuel Post-Workout is an ideal way to get all the nutrition you need without sacrificing your health goals. With 2 to 3 times more vitamins and minerals than other meal replacements, this low-carb, keto-friendly superfood powder provides clean ingredients to naturally boost energy levels, improve metabolic function, and support a healthy lifestyle. The vegan protein in the meal replacement shakes is easier to digest and has less bloating than dairy and whey protein powders found in other products. Packed with 18 grams of protein, healthy fats, and fiber per serving, the shake also contains 27 essential vitamins and minerals including vitamin D3, vitamin K2, and vitamin B12. The product is non-GMO, keto diet friendly, and contains no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. Preparing the shake is easy. Mix it with your favorite plant-based milk for a delicious breakfast smoothie or blend it with water for an on-the-go snack. You can also use this best overall post-workout as a base to boost recipes like pancakes, protein balls, and snack bites. Number 2. Extend Post-Workout. The Extend Original Post-Workout is the best value on the market, and there are 2 key reasons behind that. The first is, obviously, its price. It costs less than half of many competitors, saving you plenty of money in the long run. Secondly, despite its price, the performance of this post-workout powder is on par with the best in the business. The most obvious example of this is the short-term soreness recovery that is exceptionally fast and consistent. Plus, the electrolytes in its formula prevent dehydration, which is all too common after exhaustive workouts. The long-term muscle-building benefits of this post-workout are second to none, too. Its inclusion of 7 grams of branched-chain amino acids, BCAA, per serving boosts the results of your efforts, allowing you to strengthen your muscles much faster than you would otherwise. Lastly, the taste of this post-workout is better than most, ensuring that mixing it up and drinking it is something you look forward to. Number 3. Garden of Life Post-Workout. Garden of Life sets a high standard for post-workout performance with their organic protein powder. Its biggest benefit comes in the form of swift recovery and muscle repair after every workout session. The results are fast enough to surprise many first-time users, all without any side effects. The secret behind this recovery is the inclusion of 5 grams of BCAA amino acids, glutamine, and glutamic acid. The BCAA amino acids, in particular, are fantastic as they have a positive effect on your whole immune system. The best part about this post-workout is that its formula is organic and plant-based, making it 100% vegan so everyone can use it regardless of their dietary preferences. And, with 2 different flavors, you'll be able to support your body while enjoying something that suits your tastes. Overall, this combination of exceptional performance and organic formula is what makes this such a compelling choice. Number 4. Jacked Factory Post-Workout. Growth surge from Jacked Factory amps up almost every benefit of post-workout powders to 100 thanks to its ideal formula. Its ingredients list includes creatine monohydrate, L-carnitine, L-tartrate, betaine, and bioperine, all of which are top-tier choices for post-workout recovery and muscle building. The most prominent long-term benefit you'll notice is a boost in lean muscles that are not just buff, but are actually strong. Plus, this formula works the same for both men and women and increases their odds of attaining the shape they want. The premium ingredients in its formula improve the after-workout recovery process as well. In other words, taking this powder will let you work out diligently on a regular basis without leaving any permanent damage to your existing muscles. They also make post-workout recovery faster and more effective, so you can carry on with your life despite intense exercise. Number 5. BSN Post Workout. Most post-workout powders are designed to help your body recover from intense workout sessions and the soreness caused by them. BSN's Amino X post-workout powder, on the other hand, enhances your workouts as well. More specifically, taking this powder regularly increases the endurance of your existing muscles, letting you do more intense workout sessions for longer periods. This is possible thanks to its formula, which includes around 10 grams of micronized amino acids per serving. Best of all, this enhanced endurance is not temporary and will stick around even if you stop using this protein powder. As for after-workout recovery, this post-workout powder excels at that as well. The high amino acid contents accelerate muscle healing and reduce soreness drastically. It also has a refreshing effect on both your body and mind, so you can go on with the rest of your day without feeling much exhaustion from intense exercise. Meanwhile, with 4 delicious, fruity flavors to choose from, you've got another excuse to enjoy a drink made with this post-workout powder.